Welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another short video on this Land Rover Defender 110. So what we've done on this particular vehicle is upgraded the security. So what as many of you know, if you've just bought a Defender, you may be looking to upgrade the security as they're becoming a bit more of a private possession now. So as a Defender overall, it's quite basic overall in terms of the security system that it comes with. So what we've added is an alarm, a mobiliser plus a tracker. It's a phenomenal upgrade and it really effective as well. So we're all Thatcham approved at CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. A lot of people do other upgrades, such as we do the full soundproofing Defenders. We can also do quite a few, all the customised seats and all that sort of side of it as well. This video is mainly talking about how you can secure your Defender. So whether it's a 90 or a 110, we can do both. So we use a system called Cobra. So Vodafone Automotive have recently bought out Cobra, but Cobra's still got the name that many of you might know. So the first part is the immobilisation and alarm side. So what we've upgraded is a Category 1 Thatcham approved rated system, which is an alarm and a mobiliser. So it works off these little key fobs, so you can unlock and arm and disarm the arm straight from a key fob. Really simple, easy to use, and obviously very loud as well. One of the other added parts that we've added on is a Category 6 tracker. Again, that's the Vodafone Automotive system. That comes with an application. It's called My Connected Car. If you are looking at that system, if you go onto either your Play Store or the App Store if you're an iPhone user, you can click on, type in My Connected Car. It's a little red symbol and it's got a little Vodafone symbol on it as well. If you click on that, you can actually do a demo version of that app, so you don't need to have a tracker added to the vehicle before you can see what you get from the app. You can set what's called geofencing, so if your Defender is parked up in a garage somewhere, you can set a geofence, which is basically a map, a ring on a map. As soon as the vehicle leaves that area, you'll get a phone call. So really effective if your vehicle's in storage, so you can know as soon as it leaves the premises, or even if it's in your garage at home and it's not your everyday vehicle. So both together, both systems work really well and complement each other. So there's nothing you can do to completely stop people stealing vehicles and things like that, but this is a step in the right direction. So what you can do is the alarm and immobiliser if they try to break in and steal the vehicle. If they do steal the vehicle and they put it on a low loader, for instance, you've got the access to the 24/7 helpline from Vodafone Automotive, and they'll liaise directly with the police to get your Defender back to you. So for more details on any security upgrade on your Defender, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, and we're happy to answer any questions you have. If you are based further afield, we're based in Cambridge, but if you are based further afield, we have a collection and delivery service as well, so you can have the best in the industry work on your car. Thank you very much, and we look forward to working on your Defender soon. Thank you.